Are you looking to download the X app? Look no further. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to download X, updated on your device. Let's get started. First, open Google Play or any other app store you prefer. These stores are where you can find and download various apps for your device. Next, search for the X app. Use the search bar and type in X to locate the app you're looking for. Make sure to select the official and updated version of the app. Once you've found the X app, tap on the Install button. This will initiate the download and installation process. Wait for the app to finish downloading, and it will be ready to use on your device. Downloading X is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Open your favorite app store, search for X, and tap Install. It's that simple. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Enjoy using the X app on your device.